Hi. Yo, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a combo product from VGR Pro, and with the model number V886C and V886T. So this is really interesting. Stay tuned, man. Alright. Yes, and I unboxed something similar before. I mean, about this case, I guess it's a home grooming tools, which was good. And now this one is a little bit bigger. It's a combo again, and yeah, this one is more pro. This is VGR Pro with a model number. It's a hair trimmer and a hair clipper, with a model number 886C and 886T. The specs of this hair clipper. It's not really written here. As you can see, it's not really written, just 5 watts, something like that. And yeah, got more accessories, and you can customize this hair clipper and the hair trimmer, which is good. So all I know is that it's got 9,000 RPMs, both of them. I guess we're gonna make an RPM test, so but let's open this box and see what they got for us inside. So it all comes like this. Maybe it's written here. So let's see. The clipper got 4 hours charging time and 4 hours operating time, And for the trimmer got 2 hours charging time and 4 hours operating time. Okay, so that's it. It comes with a charging dock, 2 charging dock, adapter, and I guess it's a US, little brush and oil. Okay, comes with some guide combs. Okay, this one is different, left, right, or something like that, So, and for the hair trimmer, it comes with also a guide combs, and for the hair clipper also a guide combs. Okay, yeah, and the good thing, it comes with 2 charging cables, and it's a USB-C. Okay, another thing, you can customize the hair clipper and a hair trimmer, which is good. Just like TPOB, It's like this, and this is it. So VGR asked me which color do I need, so I told them to send me any color, so this color is not bad. This is the first time I'm getting this color from a hair clipper, and the good thing, you can remove this one and put another color, which is good, just like TPOB. Now to the hair trimmer. Okay, you can zero gap this hair trimmer just a little bit. Charging port USB-C, Okay, comes with a LCD display. As you can see, I guess this one is a metal or something like that. So this is the blade. And sound check. Got 2 speeds. Second speed. And it's reaching 8,000 RPMs, okay? 8,000 RPMs. I thought 9,000. And for the hair clipper, looks almost the same like the hair trimmer. Charging port, USB-C. Got a hanging hook, but the trimmer doesn't have it. And power button. So this is it. Comes with a fade blade. Okay. Clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks. And the hair clipper comes with a turbo button, which is good. 2 speeds also. First speed, 7,000. Second speed, 8,000. Okay. The hair clipper got 9,000 RPMs, while the hair trimmer got 8,000 RPMs. First, 7,000, 8,000, then the turbo speed, 9,000. Once again, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, which is good.
Weil andere Kunden nicht kann ich warten. Also ich weiß nicht, wenn man wieder kommt zum 330, die wahrscheinlich schneidet, aber er kommt sich so weiter zu, weißt du? Machen seine Art und Fahrt schnell fertig, dann bleibt es wieder.
Once again, the first time I saw this hair clipper, I thought here will be somehow too big, you know, and it won't feel good on the hand. But it feels really good on the hand. Most especially because of these grooves right here. See these grooves? It's really good. Feels really good. It's a must-have hair clipper, I have to say, you know. And it sounds really good. Not loud, even with the turbo button. I don't know if maybe you can hear it good now. It's really good and not loud and silent.